Hello everyone. For the chili paneer, I have taken 500 gram of paneer and I have chopped them in cubes, neither too small nor too large. Then I have taken two medium sized large capsicum and I have cubed them in this type. And I have taken three medium sized onions and I have diced them into florets. Then I have taken around 15 to 20 pieces of garlic chopped and an inch of ginger chopped and 6 or 7 green chilies. I have sliced them. These are the basic ingredients. Rest we will see as we start the recipe. So here my kadhai is getting warmed up and I am adding 3 tablespoons of refined oil and let it get heated up, and then we will fry the paneer in it. The oil is pretty hot now, and now we will fry the paneer pieces in it. I fried them in batches of two, so according to the space in the yolk you fry accordingly. Our objective is to just fry the paneer till a little golden brown color comes, and not to make them deep brownish in color, and that way it will be very hard and chewy. The softness will be retained only if we fry it till just little golden brown. The color has started changing and we will now take them out. It barely takes 2 minutes to make them little golden brown. And now we will fry the second batch of paneer in it and in the same way. Now I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour powder, and to that I am adding 3 tablespoons of water, and I will mix it well so that there are no lumps left. So this corn flour mixture is added to make the gravy a little thick and smooth. Now it's time to make the sauce mix. For that I have taken hot and sweet chili sauce, or tomato ketchup if you like. I have taken 5 tablespoons of tomato sauce. To that I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Now we will mix it well and make a smooth paste, and to that we will add around 1 tablespoon of water and mix it well, and now our sauce mix is ready. So these are the basic things which you require before cooking. Is left over after frying paneer is sufficient to make the gravy. So the oil is pretty hot now, and we will first add onions and we will fry them till little reddish in color, till they become little reddish in color. The onion is fried, and now we will add the chopped green chilies and ginger, and we will fry it for around 1 minute so that the raw smell of ginger and garlic disappears. Make sure to keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn, because we are frying it in medium to high flame, so please be careful on that. The onion and ginger garlic has been fried for around 1 minute, and then we will add the chopped green chilies and we'll mix it well. After that we will add the chopped capsicum and we will fry the whole veggie mix for around 1 minute. Our objective is not to cook the vegetables to tender soft, but to fry them well. So we will keep stirring and we'll mix it well. Capsicum has been fried for around 1 minute and our veggie mix is ready. So now we will add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, and we will mix it well. Next we will add our pre-prepared sauce mixture, and also we will mix all this well. Please keep in mind to keep the flame to low to medium, and so that it doesn't burn. So onions and the veggies are all mixed well with the sauce, and now we will add the fried paneer in it, and we will mix it well so that the paneer gets coated evenly with the sauce mix. And also we will adjust salt. uh, Please keep in mind to keep the salt to medium, because already the sauce mixture has salt in it. And we will lower the flame, and after that we will mix it well, and we will cover it for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we are coming back. After 2 minutes our chili paneer is almost nearly done. So if you want dry chili paneer, then at this stage you can serve it, but since we are making gravy, so we will add around 1 cup of water at this stage, and we will mix it well. If you want more gravy, then add more water, but I suggest to keep the quantity of water low. Now we will cover it for 1 minute. We will uncover the lid, and as the mixture starts boiling, we will check for the salt. If needed, we will add salt right now. So I did a taste check and see, I felt like added a bit more salt, so I added salt in it. Carefully uncover the lid and mix the chili paneer well. Now it's time to add the corn flour mixture. Keep the gas from low to medium, because else if when after adding corn flour it will stick to the bottom. So we added the corn flour mixture, and we'll mix it well, and we'll cook it for around 1 minute. After that we will switch off the flame, and we will cover it. Our delicious chili paneer is ready for serving. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then you serve it. Yummy chili paneer is served and it looks really tempting. So try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Try out this recipe and waiting to reply your beautiful comments. Thank you for watching.